Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. We're still in the truck. Just a quick update on the big truck. On the International is still down. I hope to get more news today. My understanding is that they had to send the transmission to a transmission shop to go get checked to make sure everything was okay there, make sure there was no internal damage that they could not see caused by literally the grenading or the implosion of that flywheel. That's my understanding, and still haven't unfortunately gotten any pricing, so waiting to find out, you know, which one of my kids is going to cost me to get the truck out. But we're still chugging along, so we are on the way to go pick up a 30. We'll take it to the transfer station, dump it. It should be pretty light. This place that we normally go to that uses us fairly often, they only use it for cardboard and some very, very light materials. So kind of good there. We'll take it to the transfer station, dump it, and then we've got a delivery to do as well. Super excited to use the new camera setup. I've got 2 new cameras for the trailer. As you can see, I have it mounted to my Bulletpoint mount. I will have a link in the description below for both of them. This is a 2 camera setup, so I have one mounted, well, both of them are mounted on the trailer facing the rear. One's mounted on the gantry arms, or the, you know, a higher up view, which is the one you're seeing here. And then I've got another one mounted to the rear bumper that I will be able to switch over to when I am picking up a dumpster, so that I can see exactly where the rails are going. So we will see how that works out. It is freezing outside right now. It's 35, but it's windy, so it's supposed to get up to 50 today. A little bit of a warm up. The entire country is going through a massive cold front, so we're blessed that it's only going to be 30 in the 30s today, or 50s even as a high. So anyways, let's get to work. Let's turn this bad boy on. Let's see how good this backup camera really is. Is it me? Or is it just that I couldn't see? And I don't need David to give me no thumbs up or point no more. I can't blame him anymore. I'm all kinds of already. Oh, I think I already failed. Oh snap, just a little bit. I gotta leave a little room to take the cable off. I think we're good. Probably should check the tires before I left. This one we're gonna have to hand tarp in the back because it's gonna have a lot of stuff that can fly out. All the cardboard. Don't want to waste gas while we tarp this bad boy up. I just need literally the last 2 feet. I do plan on, when we have a little bit more time, to extend this tarp. I've been told that I know it can be done. I was sent some pictures by a guy who has one and who extends it. Only problem is when you extend the tarp, it's going to extend past the, 2 feet past the box. So that's going to kind of suck. Yeah, and we just need 2 feet. We're gonna be extra nice and take all their trash, mainly because you're recording. Otherwise, I'd be gone. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you, sir.
Gotta say what's up, don't be shy. So yo, what's up? Gonna have a long day today.
How you doing? Thank you. They charge you a ton, but 0.73. I'll be walking over here like a little minion, like a little orange Humpty Dumpty.
Banana, banana.
You good? $24? Yeah. Yeah.
Un gato para eso ya.
Si es goma regular, es llanta regular y está vacía.
Sí, pero no.
Okay. No quieren trabajar, Alright, 1-star review for these guys. They don't want to work. They don't have a jack for that trailer. It's empty. Bruh. They just don't want to do the work. And he's like, you want a new tire? Oh, if I buy a new tire, they'll have a jack that'll lift it up. But since I only want to fix the tire, they don't have a jack for it. Dismo. Hey, legacy tire muffler, y'all fail. How do I get out of here?
0 stars.
Ya está.
Yeah, yeah. Stop again. In the Scout 9? Not sure. Give me. I always forget the strap. So we are starting to use iCAN software. So iCANs is pretty damn cool. You can tell we've been an hour and 18 minutes in progress in this specific job because I put it that we were on the way. And obviously when we stopped to get, fix the tire and stuff like that. So we're gonna put that we are on location. We're dropping off can 3010. And we're gonna take a quick picture. Oop. Well, I hit the picture. Never mind. We were gonna take a picture, now we're gonna take a picture. I hit finish task accidentally. I could go back in there and change it, but it's all good. The convenience of using iCANs, and they're constantly changing and updating, it's a game changer. I'll tell you what, it is a heck of a lot easier with a camera. I mean, this one's kind of difficult because you have to hit it right on point. Like, you have to just be really on point because of the way I've got to jackknife it. So it's not, but with a camera, not having to go back and forth and get in and out and rely on someone's janky directions is literally so much easier. Dumpsters chained, locked. You put the emergency brakes on the truck. Nice. That's on the roller. Let it straighten up for me. I'm gonna need some help with the tarp. For sure. Oh, we got it though.
Thoughts?
No thoughts. The trailer is good. You just gotta work it. You gotta work it. You gotta, and I would not suggest 40s for this trailer. I'll be honest with you. Especially construction 40s. Don't mess with the middle stuff. If you're gonna go big, go big. Don't try to take shortcuts. Don't try to just make it work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, this is just making it work. Don't get me wrong, but this is out of necessity. the same, just a different color. Yeah, but let me back up first. Yeah, I got you. Hold on. I gotta go past the edge, otherwise it won't tip enough.
You already closed off the edge.
All right. Man, I had, you saw a brick? They had brick and ceramic. Come on. That was close. Yeah?
It's going good.
Nice, man.
I got three.
Three dump trailers? Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Good job. What's the name?
Yorman.
Yorman? Yeah. Nice, bro. Looking good. Make that money, bro. We'll see ya. He looks like he's scared to get to that thing. Nah, he's a roofer. They should be used to that shit.
Lavo por ahí. Pero se mete chorros, ¿entiendes?
Sí. Sí, cuando por dentro se... Done for today. Let's just do a quick recap of the day. Usually, I've been talking crap on not just the trailer, but the whole cable setup. And it's not 100% that. It's definitely a lot to do with my inexperience with a trailer that long, and then going from hook to cable obviously is like, you know, it is what it is. But the camera helped out a ton today. So it really dropped the stress levels down when I had to go pick up the cans and line it up. And I was able to do it in minutes versus taking me 20 minutes to back it up and doing it. Plus, I'm getting a little more used to it, a little more, like I said before, it'll take you at least 100 times to do anything, 100 times to back up a trailer, to get it directly, to get it straight, to get more proficient in it. It'll take you at least 100 times to get better at it. I'm still learning this trailer. I'm still learning the length of the trailer. So it's definitely a lot to do with me versus the trailer. The dump angle is definitely the only main issue. The dump angle at a landfill is almost impossible. So definitely, it works great at the transfer station. It works great at level ground, but at a landfill that is not level, you're gonna have an issue. So other than that, I'm really happy with it. We're good to go. We're gonna pick up some more cans tomorrow. We've got some deliveries, and yeah, hopefully my truck will be ready soon. I still haven't heard word other than they're working on it. So we'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the live tonight.